Today we're gonna be diving into Gimbal. Today we're gonna be diving into I can't talk today.
What's up everyone? Today we're going to be diving into gimbal movements and how they can take your storytelling to the next level. Whether you're filming a cinematic masterpiece or capturing moments for a client, these movements can immerse your audience by adding emotion, context, and depth through visuals. The first movement we're going to be diving into is the crane shot.
What you're going to do is have the camera start super low at the ground, and then you're going to lift it up to reveal what's going on in the background or where your character's showing up to. So let's go ahead and try that out.
This movement is perfect for establishing your character in a new location.
So you'll be here and you're just gonna walk straight that way.
It's a dramatic and effective way to introduce space and give the audience context. Next, we have the wraparound reveal.
You're gonna go the opposite way of which way your character goes, and then you're gonna reveal whatever you're trying to have in the shot. So we're gonna have the house right now because we can't really go anywhere because there's snow and we can't drive. So Jay's gonna be facing that way. You're gonna turn around this way, and you're just gonna look at that, and you're just gonna stay in the same spot, and you're gonna look around that way, right? Okay, so face that way. And then what you wanna do with your camera is you wanna come around the side of the opposite side of which way he's looking. So basically it's gonna be like this. Go ahead.
This is where your subject turns around and you move the gimbal in the opposite direction, creating a dynamic reveal.
That shot is either gonna show a person or something that they're trying to look at. Sometimes you'll see these shots in like movies where they're just like trying to reveal like either an action scene or someone that they're gonna be presented to, if they're gonna shake hands with someone important, stuff like that. So we'll go ahead and try that shot one more time. Go ahead and face forward and go ahead and turn around, and then you turn around and you keep the person, boom. It's a reveal shot, and it normally show like something crazy happening, like a lot of action happening in that shot.
This movement is great for introducing new characters, objects, or unexpected surprises within the scene. Then there's the track reveal.
All right, so this next gimbal movement is gonna be the track, where you're gonna have the camera super low to the ground, and you're gonna be basically just following the footsteps of your character, and then you're gonna reveal by flipping that camera and tilting it upward towards whatever it is. So it's gonna be the tracking reveal shot. So it goes a little something like this. Let's go ahead and flip the camera.
In this movement, you follow your character without showing too much of the scene ahead. When they arrive, you tilt up and pull back to show where they are. It's a brilliant way to build anticipation and surprise your audience with the location. The fourth movement is the push-in. This one is all about drama and suspense. Slowly moving closer to your subject adds tension and pulls your audience into the moment, making them feel the character's emotion or the gravity of the situation. These gimbal movements aren't just technical tricks. They're tools to help you tell better stories. I hope this breakdown inspires you to experiment with your shots and bring your audience into your scene. If you found these gimbal movements helpful, make sure to hit the like button so more people can discover this video and also level up their filmmaking too. And if you want to see more content like this, make sure to hit subscribe and comment down below. Let us know what you'd like to see next week. And remember, we post shorts on a daily basis and long form every week. So stay tuned for more tips to elevate your craft. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one.